Day 167 of 3D modeling and printing every day for 365 days straight. Today I was going to lift some weights at home, but one of my barbell collars was missing, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to practice making threads and show you how I do it. First I grab the outer diameter of the shaft, then try to grab the inner diameter of the thread. I grab the distance between the two peaks, which is the pitch, then I grab the thickness of the thread. In Fusion 360, after I've modeled the general shape, I like to add a chamfer to each side of the hole, just to make it a bit easier to get the shaft on and off. Then I create a coil and select the bottom face. I plug in the inner diameter, which was around 23.2, then pull the coil up to be in the right orientation. I then change the type to pitch and revolutions. The pitch was that peak to peak distance we got before, so I'll plug in 6. The profile also seemed to be square, so I'll select that. It's going to be on center, and I'll change the section size to be the thickness of the thread, which was 3.85. Now the outer diameter is slightly larger than 25, so I'm going to draw a circle measuring 25.8 on the top and use that as a reference. Then I'm going to offset the outer face of the internal thread so it lines up with the 25.8 circle we just drew. Now it's pretty much done. I'd just like to add a small chamfer to the edges of the thread to finish it up, and then you're good to print. You can always make a test print or two and adjust, but this one worked first try, and it's exactly what I needed. It may not be the strongest, but hey, I don't lift very heavy weights. Anyways, stick around for day 168.